Hello, hi dear guys, welcome to on my YouTube channel. I am come back with the new video, new perspective to the learning the English. Today I am gonna to topic about how speak English very fluently and easy way. And this is the today I can learn from something 2 or 3 vocabs. It is the new and you can also learn with me. This is the shorts video I am making right now, and you can also learn with simultaneously with me because I am also in the beginning and you are also beginning, then definitely we can learn English simultaneously. Let's jump on the topic. Some people they wanted to learn English in the beginning, but they couldn't speak the any word of the English. And before told is also so many practice they so many people they haven't do a practice in regularly, that's why they are too stuck in there always in between them. But you see when any persons they are to learn for something like driving classes, they are to took as well something they really want to the in building constructions to starting there to working, because they really want to there to skill. First of all, one step, this is the they start in the beginning. What they are to do, they are to just to start initially. What's there to mistake happen, just to forget that, just deep on there too, you can see in. And this is the first step, you can jump on there. And today's it's new vocabs I can share you. Frantic means, what does mean by the frantic? Fronting, it is the like you are scared something, you have very busy, and you haven't get any key, like your car key you haven't get, and you are too scared about, this is called as the frantic. Means you can say I am so frantic right now, my uh, car key is not to get right now, and I am just to searching seeking, this is the miss something. This is called as the frantic. You can use this vocabulary is also. And this is the shorts video I always made. And other is also just subscribe the my channel and to like the video and share the video. Thank you so much, and subscribe my channel all dear friends once again.